Let me just say it straight. If you don't learn prompt engineering, you will get replaced by AI. Not in the next 5 years, not in the next year, today. It's literally so fast, but you won't get replaced by AI like in a scary movie. Well, that's a possibility, but not yet. But anyways, what you will get replaced by is people who know how to use AI, who know how to actually effectively write prompts. And let's be honest, I mean, if you're stuck in some repetitive job where 80 to 90% of your tasks can be automated by AI, you're on the list. You're cooked. And I'm not just saying that. I really mean it. You think the company that you are so loyal to is loyal to you? Well, they're not. They will replace you like this. They're loyal to efficiency, and AI can do that faster and cheaper. Game over, unless you level up and learn how to do it. And yes, I trained my AI to sound like me, so I don't have to write 3-hour-long scripts. I can just tell it what to say because it already sounds like me. And look how easy it actually is. I mean, you just tell ChatGPT, like get ChatGPT 4.0 and tell it to act as a prompt engineer with over 15 years of experience. Review this following prompt for me, optimize it, make it better, ask any questions you have before proceeding. Here is the prompt. Then I just tell him the prompt that I used in my last video. And then it just basically optimizes my whole prompt so that when I use it in ChatGPT, it gives me a better research of my outreach strategy. That's pretty cool. So that's why, I mean, we're already seeing designers, marketers, even programmers get leapfrogged by people with zero formal training. Why? Because they know how to ask better questions and they know how to write damn good prompts. Prompt engineering. This sounds like some sci-fi nonsense, but it isn't. It's just communicating clear and effective with AI to get what you want. You want a landing page, there's a prompt for that. You want your customer data analyzed in second, prompt. You want to create a cold email strategy that works, prompt. The better the prompt, the better the output. Trash in, trash out. You're not competing with AI, you're competing with the person who knows how to use it. I mean, just look at this. This is some dystopian shit. I mean, I've not used N8N, but I've used Make, which is pretty similar. So yeah, maybe we should try this on the video, you know? Fiverr CEO just sent his employees the most brutally honest email I've seen from a tech leader. AI is coming for your jobs. Heck, it's coming for my job too. We're entering an era where a single person with AI can outperform entire teams from 2023. Stop optimizing for efficiency in jobs that won't exist. Start creating value AI can't replicate. That's exactly what I'm doing with this video. AI, while they can speak, they can write, they can't really make these really nice hand movements that I'm making right now. So appreciate me while I'm here. But here's the email that the Fiverr CEO sent to his team. I'ma just let you read, and yeah, you take this as you want. Yeah, this isn't hype. This is a new skill economy. The tools are literally free, most of them. The knowledge is out there. You just need to actually research and do it. Stop scrolling. Stop watching Netflix. Go out and actually learn. Because if not, the guy that learned prompt engineering last month, he's already selling to businesses for $10,000 per month. While you're stuck at your uni getting a degree for a job that won't exist in 6 months.